Lawn diseases like brown patch or powdery mildew are known to ravage lawns and ornamentals during the warm summer season, but that doesn't mean fall and winter are any safer. There are diseases like snow mold and Pythium blight that thrive in the conditions cooler weather brings. Not only that, but some homeowners may be unintentionally cultivating environments that encourage disease and fungal growth. So in this video, we'll go over several things you can do to prevent fungal and disease growth in your lawn over fall and winter. You can save on pest control with DIY products and do it fast with free same-day shipping from Solutions Pest and Lawn. To shop for the products featured in this video and to learn more about lawn care, click the icon in the top right of the screen or click the link in the description below. Turf height plays an important role in preventing the development of lawn disease. When kept overgrown, the grass will cast shade and cause your lawn to retain more water than your turf can handle. And when it's too short, your grass becomes vulnerable to damage from many sources. As a general rule of thumb, you'll want your grass to maintain a height of 3 inches in order to promote deeper root growth for the cooling weather. Deep-rooted grass is much stronger, holds more water, and stores more energy to help as the weather gets cooler. How often you mow your lawn will depend on its turf type. Lawns can consist of warm season grass, cool season grass, or a mix of both. This typically correlates with the region you live in. If your lawn is composed of warm season grass like St. Augustine grass, Bermuda grass, or centipede grass, then you may find you'll only need to mow once a month or none at all during the cooler fall and winter weather. Cool season grasses like fescue, perennial ryegrass, or bluegrass are actively growing in cooler temperatures, so you may need to mow about once per week. Lawn aeration involves breaking up compact soil to allow more air to flow through. Aerating your lawn can make the difference between dealing with fungus or not. Some grasses may grow weaker in compact soils, making them more vulnerable to disease. By aerating your turf, you're facilitating the movement of air, water, and nutrients throughout your lawn's soil, ensuring all your grass can get what it needs to grow through the cold weather. There are several ways to aerate your lawn. Most homeowners should be able to at least rake away leaf litter and dethatch their lawns. These methods will help increase airflow on the surface, but to really break up your soil, you'll need to use either a spike aerator or a plug aerator. For the best results, you should aerate your lawn before applying fertilizer or any pre-emergent. Whether your lawn is composed of cool season grass or warm season grass, it will need to be fertilized properly. Fertilizers contain the 3 major nutrients needed for plants to grow: nitrogen, phosphorus, and potassium. Without sufficient nutrients, your lawn will become more vulnerable to disease. Different lawns will require different mixes, however, as well as different application schedules based on whether your grass is actively growing or dormant. If your lawn has warm season grass, the latest recommended application window is September. If your lawn has cool season grass, the best time to apply for fall is actually September as well. For a general application, we recommend you use a fertilizer like Solutions 8-12-16 Fall Grow Fertilizer. With this fertilizer, you can broadcast it over your lawn at a rate of 5 pounds per 1,000 square feet of treatment area. On cool season turfs, you may want to apply fertilizer every 6 to 8 weeks during its active growing season. For warm season turfs in fall and winter, limit application to once in September until the temperatures warm up. Water is essential for all growth, but too much is just as damaging as too little. Excessive moisture not only invites pests, but it also creates the perfect conditions for diseases and fungi to thrive. You can avoid oversaturating your lawn with too much water by watering it properly. By properly watering your lawn, you'll drive your turf's roots deeper into the ground, strengthening your grass and encouraging greener growth. To water your lawn properly, you'll need to water it once a week in the morning with 1 inch of water. Try to account for rainfall. Your grass only needs 1 inch per week. Too much will invite fungal development. If you water your lawn later in the day, there may not be enough time for the water to absorb into the roots before the sun evaporates it, or it could sit overnight on top of the soil to invite disease. In many homeowners' lawns, disease and fungi may already exist there. If you've noticed seasonal activity like patch formation or mushrooms growing every year, then your lawn is already affected. The existing spores and pathogens in your grass simply wait for the right conditions in order to flare up. The symptoms may die down as the weather warms for summer, but then the cycle will repeat itself next season with the new spores and pathogens left behind. To get control of any diseases currently in your lawn, you need to apply a fungicide product like Patch Pro Fungicide. Patch Pro is made with propiconazole, a broad-spectrum ingredient used to control a variety of lawn diseases. When using Patch Pro, you'll apply it at a rate of 0.5 to 4 whole fluid ounces of product over 1,000 square feet of treatment area, depending on the targeted disease. We recommend you make the application with a handheld sprayer or a backpack sprayer. To mix, fill your sprayer with half the amount of water, then the appropriate amount of Patch Pro, and then the remaining half of the water. Close the lid to the sprayer tank and shake to ensure an even agitation. Once your solution is ready, proceed to evenly broadcast the entire amount of product over your lawn. If applied properly, then you should not be able to see any fungal development during fall and winter. For continued control, make reapplications every month to eliminate diseases and fungi from your lawn throughout the year. Just like during summer, there are fungi and diseases that can attack your lawn in fall and winter, but there are many things you can do to prevent and stop them from growing. With these professional products and tips from Solutions Pest and Lawn, you can keep your lawn green and free of disease, and we offer same-day shipping to help you get control quickly. Visit our website to get your products today. If you like this how-to guide, please share. And if you're new to our channel, subscribe for more how-to and product videos. And contact us for more tips, tricks, and DIY pest solutions.